Alright guys, one tip. I got one tip for y'all today. This is how we summarize our deer stand, so that way the birds don't get in here and poop everywhere, or hatch babies, or squirrels don't get in here and make a nest, and wasps don't get in here. We took this plastic off one of my garden beds because it had a tiny hole in it and I wouldn't be able to use it next winter. And we're using it on the deer stand. What do y'all think? My husband's going staple crazy right now.
Because of the wind. That's the only reason why I'm doing it that way.
I know.
The wind don't blow it down. And if a bird flies into it, it has some resistance.
Bird flies into it, it's just going to have a bad day.
And we got plenty of staples to mess with, so I ain't worried about it. I might keep it up for all it's worth.
Yeah, because actually it feels a little bit warmer in here. As far as for having this little buddy heater, we always have a little buddy heater in the stand for the kids when they come to sit, because sometimes it gets cold. Sometimes it gets cold, so all right, Daddy, you ready to get the deer feeder in here?
Yeah, you can.
I'm not carrying it up. You can carry it up. And another thing is, before turkey season comes out in South Carolina, we always bring our deer feeder in because it's against the law to have a feeder out there, and then if somebody's hunting close by, then they could get in trouble. So we bring our feeder in, and it goes over here in this little bitty corner, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we close this stand up and we lock it up, and we ain't gotta worry about it or anything like that. I'm walking down the steps so I can show y'all the Stephen stand. It's called the Mansion in the Woods. And I don't think anybody's ever really seen this outside view on here. But yeah. So all you see is the plastic up there and the windows. And then you got it's all stabilized. We got 2x4s, 4x4s, 2x6s, and yeah, I know. I was getting ready to say that. And we got the 2x8s. Everything's here. A lot of it was repurposed and reused from the old stand that was there. And then a lot of it we bought new. All right, guys. So this was our quick tip for today. And we will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.